Okay, this is another video where I just tell you whatever random thoughts pop into my head, and since these videos have become pretty popular, I created a special beginning with a theme song and everything. I wrote and produced this myself. Here it is. My name is Kat, here's a video for you. I know it's not fancy, but it's something to do. So if you get bored, just go online to thestop.com where everything's fine. A-dee-bop-doop-dop-doop-dee-doo. Sometimes I wonder if you can get juice from a potato. I wonder if I pulled my hair back in a ponytail and then rubbed honey all over my face and then stuck my face in a big bowl full of popcorn, what would my face look like when it came out? Okay. This is an olive. And this is a tweezer. Now, what is it? Why? Is it possible for a teenage girl to drink water upside down? I'm thirsty! It's not possible! This has been me in a video. Come on, give up the juice.
We can't stop, you know we'll never give it up. People talk, but we just don't care. In this life, you know you gotta live it up. So everybody put your hands in the air now. It's an all-night party that we're getting into. If you think it's all over, then the joke is on you. It's a dream, it's a scene, and it's so brand new. If you think you can't stop it, then the joke is on you. It's an all-night party that we're getting into. If you think it's all over, then the joke is on you. It's a dream, it's a scene, and it's so brand new. If you think you can't stop it, then the joke is on you. We did it again, oh. We did it again, oh. We did it again, oh. We did it again. It's an all-night party that we're getting into. If you think it's all over, then the joke is on you. It's a dream, it's a scene, and it's so brand new. If you think you can't stop it, then the joke is on you. Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why were they open? Gave you all I had, you tossed it in the trash. Tossed it in the trash, you did. And to give me all your love is all I'd ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand is I'd catch a grenade. Oh yeah, I throw my hands on the blade. Oh yeah, I jump in front of the train. Oh yeah, you know I'd do anything. Oh yeah, oh, I would go through
But darling, not so catch a grenade.